Hi, how you doing? You're welcome. Buenos tardes. Bonsoir. Today, look at what we have for you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Either you are watching this on YouTube or on Facebook. Just subscribe, like, and share. So, here we go. This is what we have for you today. You want to know? Look at the sound. This sound. How does it sound? And what sound is this? These are two sounds combined together. Look at the first one here. This first sound is a schwa sound. Schwa is a schwa sound. How does it sound? Look at my mouth. Ah, again. Ah, I relax my tongue. My tongue is relaxed. Ah, ah, again. Ah, ah, ah. And this, the second sound, how does it sound? Oh, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh. Now you know the sound. Ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh. This sound ah is a schwa sound. Ah, oh. We have a lot of examples here for you to see. Have a look. Look at the first one. Go. Look at it. Go. Ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh. Go. Go. Not go, but go. Go. Up, 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 up. Go. Look at this. S-O. So. Up, 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 up. So. Look at the third one. B-O-A-T. Add the sound. Look at it here. Bout. Again. Bout. Again. Bout. Don't forget the sound. Up, 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 up. Look at it. B, up, up, t. Bout. B, up, up, t. B, up, up, t. Bout. Again. Bout. The next one. O-N-L-Y. Only. Again. Only. Ah. U. Mm. Mm. E. Only. 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 Good. Let's go to the next one. Have a look. Hotel. Hotel. How does this pronounce? Look at the sound. Hotel again. Hotel again. Hotel, not hotel, but hotel. God. Look at this. How does this pronounce? M-O-S-T. Mm. Ah. Ooh. Mouse. Ah. Mouse. 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 Yeah, mouse, not most, but mouse. Look at it. Less, but not less. I think that's simple. It's easier to pronounce. It's easier. N-O. Ah. Again. Ah. I relax my tongue. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Go. You see? Go. Sorry. No. No. Look at this. Go. N-O. No. No. Again. No. Now you can pronounce this on your own. I have an assignment for you all in the comment section, either on Facebook or the YouTube channel. I just want you to give just one example each. And all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 in number. Just one example each in the comment section on Facebook and on YouTube. For some of you, you don't know the YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the name of the YouTube channel on the comment section below. Thank you so much. Viewers, thanks a lot. And some of you, I do appreciate your effort in liking, following, and subscribing. Gracias. Merci beaucoup. Adios. Bye bye.